friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you to another 5-star room tour. It's the Hilton Lucknow. So this is the first time I'm entering. Insert card for bar. We'll insert it. So okay, the bathroom is on the right, it's usually on the left. So I'll take you to the bathroom first. So bathroom is on the right, generally it's on the left. So this is the toilet area, that's the dustbin, and you have this mirror, the mirror with light. And let's see what all they have given. They've given hand wash and body lotion, tissue paper box, and they have given dental kit, shaving kit, comb, and shower cap. Yeah, I was trying to look for hair dryer, it was not there, so I had asked them to bring it. And a smaller mirror mounted on the walls. So now I'll take you to the best part of it, which also turned out to be the dirtiest part of it, the bathtub area. And the bathtub was so dirty that we had to, the water was not going out, it was clogged. So we had to call people to fix it. And you can see also it looks very much used and unclean, like as if nobody bothered to clean the bathtub area or the fittings, which were also very loose. So it had a body wash, shampoo and conditioner of Indian Apothecary brand. So this is the place, and that drawer also gets opened, the one which was below. And then you also have this cupboard which has iron and iron table and these drawers, laundry bag and some hangers. Let's see what's inside of it. So you have some empty drawers, and this is the main room. So it has two separate beds, as you can see, and painting which are put on the side and not on the center. Let's see what's here. It's a clock, phone, pencil and writing pad, light, this chair, this gigantic TV and mirror and a working table. So let's see what we have here in the mini bar. It's empty, and again you have some drawers. I don't want to open them all, I suppose they're empty. This is the tea and coffee station. You have standard the dairy creamer, the sugar and tea and electric kettle, water bottles and stuff. You also have this very fashionable lamp and a chair that looks good. You also have this side lamp which is kind of different. Let's see the view from the room. So this is the view, friends. This looks more like a city view. Okay, so friends, that's it for today. If you come here and take the room or any room in the Hilton, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome content. Thank you.